This is a DIY water gun I made with a friend in order to be used for water assassins. For those of you that don't know what water assassins is, it's a school-wide, class-wide social game where you form groups and are given targets to eliminate, meaning shoot with water, over a certain period of time from other teams. So naturally, the first thing I wanted to do was make a modified squirt gun. After messing around a bit with pressure systems, we completely by chance found this amazing diaphragm pump. It had just been sitting in my friend's garage for years and no one had been using it. I then hooked it up to one of my lipos and we were good to go. Diaphragm pumps are a really cool and super simple piece of engineering that are also pretty reliable. Here's a diagram of how the one that I used works. The motor expands and contracts the diaphragm, rapidly opening and closing the valves on both sides. After a short period of time, the pump has sucked up enough water to fill all the tubes. Once this happens, you can open the spray valve and the pump will continue pumping while you hold it open. These things move a surprising amount of water, as I'll demonstrate. The water flows up from the Coke bottle through the handle and then into the pump, where it is then pressurized and put through the output nozzle and then sprayed. Now here's a video of it actually shooting and the range.